Direra to sa atop ini.
Morning guys! It's day 2 here in Seoul. Our itinerary for today is Paris Baguette, Gyeongbokgung Palace, Tower Seoul, Myeongdong, Olive-Young. Clear view of our hotel on the morning. So dyan po kami nagsistay sa 123 hostel. And there's a mini mart there. There's an ATM, so it's a good location. It's just near Myeongdong. There's Robana, Fortuna.
And habang naglalakad kami, may nahanap kami na Woori Bank. Kailangan namin mag-withdraw kasi nung kagabi hindi kami napag-withdraw dun sa airport. Naubusan kami ng pera sa ATM kasi gabi na yung flight namin. And ginamit namin yung GCash card, and okay naman, yung rate is mababa, kaya okay na okay siya. Pagkatapos namin mag-withdraw, breakfast kami dito sa Paris Baguette.
Dito yung laki. The famous Americano of Korea. Ice Americano is mine. Caramel macchiato girl. Ano ito na? Not in Korea without Americano. Not a fan. It's like scrambled egg with lots of green onions. This one is a bit more sour. So malinang na.
May kayo sa o?
So, andito tayo nagwe-wait sa Blue Line and we're going to the Chongmoro Station. Guys, if you are traveling here in South Korea, this is the main transportation app that they are using. It's Naver app. T-card. You can get your T-card at 7-Eleven, convenience store, CU, and at Klook. Pagkalabas yun ng train, hanapin nyo yung exit 4. Ito yung sinasabi sa Naver. Ooh! Someone's in hanbok na. Manakay tag-train naka-hanbok. So cute. Lumalaban. Go, go, go! Marami na yung handbooks dito, guys. Wow!
Dito kami nag-rent ng hanbok dito sa Hanbok Nam. And nag-book kami dun sa Klook. Yung kinuha namin is yung base lang na package. Walang photographer. Ano lang, yung 300 peso. Mahigit 300. And then
premium handbook for kids.
You can choose your handbook dito.
Here's the voucher. We're going to claim it here. Where are you paying? The passport. We got our locker. Ito yung key. Is we are looking for a handbook. Basic lang. Should be from the armpit going to the feet. So, ano ba? Bagay sa akin. Ito, no? Annyeonghaseyo. Wala ba nataro yun? Wala ko kayo. sobrang lapit lang ng store sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. As in. Ayan na siya. Kaya pa, Oma. Minat kayo diha. Guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, wag lang dun puro sa harap. Maganda din naman yung view dito sa likod. And walang tao. Shucks. Hindi na napapansin ng tao dito. Onti lang, in fairness. Compare dun sa harap, sobrang daming tao.
Landong ba? Landong.
Dili init.
Dili init. Dili lagi.
Hindi na kinakaya ng buhok ko yung init, guys. Hindi na kinakaya ng bangs. So we're here in Iksandong. Nag-taxi na lang kami because pagod na si Mudra Kels. So this is what we got here in Damsol. This is the salmon rice. That one is eggplant. Steak. And steak, of course, a mother.
And alam niyo ba yung Iksundong? It was actually built way back in 1920s during the Japanese colonial period. And what makes it really unique is that a lot of the original Hanok houses, traditional Korean homes, are still standing here today.
Matcha.
After having lunch dun sa Iksundong, we rode a bus going to Bokchon Hanok Village. And fun fact, Bokchon Hanok Village dates all the way back to the Joseon Dynasty. And it's where nobles and high-ranking officials used to live. Kaya if pupunta kayo dito, prepare your legs kasi medyo steep yung lakaran ninyo.
Misha. Uy, there's a lot of jewelries there. Mochi! I want mochi.
And after a long day, we had dinner dito sa Myeongdong kasi malapit lang dito yung hotel namin. And marami kayong mapupuntahan dito sa Myeongdong. Maraming kakainan, maraming shops, maraming skincare that you can buy dun sa Oliveyoung and other places. And dito kami nag-dinner sa Yugane Dakgalbi dito sa Myeongdong kasi gusto namin matry yung authentic na Dakgalbi. And you must try it. Masarap naman din siya.
this grape.
The sugar.